G'day guys and welcome back to another episode. Today didn't really go as planned. I wanted to take the Pajero out for driving, but the weather said otherwise, so instead we're in the garage today and I'm actually going to do something that really needs doing, and that's the air conditioning vents. So there's a few in the Pajero that's broken, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the air conditioning vents with these new ones. So let's jump into it. Right, so here's the first one that we're going to be replacing. So as you can see guys, the fins right in there is actually broken, so that is no good as well. And sometimes if it is very high pressure, it just shuts like that. So yeah, it's definitely not good, so let's go and replace that one now. Righto, so far what you'll need is a screwdriver and your panel removal tool, so let's go. Right, and then it just needs a gentle pull, and then it's all out. Alrighty, so there's the original one. So as you can see, it is not working anymore. And the seals are also pretty tired. I'm not sure if it came from factory like this, but yeah, it barely seals, which is not good. But yeah. Here's your aftermarket one. So as you can see, it pretty much looks the exact same, but it's not genuine, which is great. So it's still affordable because the genuine ones are ridiculously expensive. But yeah, so as you can see, it's nice and tight. And then at the back, it actually has thicker seals as well. So I don't know whether that will actually be better, but you know, I think so. But yeah, so yeah. Let's whack it in and see what it looks like. Perfect guys, so that actually went in nice and snug. So yeah, everything looks original, so happy days. Right, so this one is still good. So no need for that one to be changed. By the way, so if your Pajero comes with the silver frame, you can always transfer it onto the black one and vice versa. So it doesn't matter what color it is, you can always change it. Okay, so with this one, it actually moves fine left to right. But the problem is when it's on full blast, it just goes bloop because it's so loose. So yeah, let's change this one as well. So here's the old one. So what I'm now going to do is take the silver cover off. So it's literally just those two clips on that side, and on the other side those two clips as well. And then it pops off, and then just those two screws just to screw the top part off, and then whack it onto the new one. And just for reference, so this is the new one. So as you can see, it has the top part missing, so that just needs to come from the other one. But yeah, same thing, so it just has the two clips either side, and then the front cover can just come off, and the seal also looks to be thicker, so that's probably a good thing as well. Right guys, last but not least, this one right here. So as you can see, it's only the one fin in there moving around, so let's replace that as well. Great guys, and there you go, no more annoying air conditioning vents that don't work. So if you do want to grab a set, I'll leave the link in the description. Otherwise you can jump onto the website as well. And the best thing is, like you guys saw, it's a perfect fit and it looks factory, which is great without the genuine price tag. So that is awesome. But yeah guys, if you have any other questions, make sure to drop it down below. Otherwise I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.